Welcome to Jacksonville State University South Complex, home of the School of Nursing Skills Lab and Simulation Center. Here, students gain hands-on experience in a high-tech, controlled environment designed to prepare them for real-world nursing challenges. Let's take a look inside. As we enter the Nursing Skills Lab, students immerse themselves in a state-of-the-art learning space. The lab is fully equipped with hospital beds, mid-fidelity simulators, and all the essential tools and equipment needed to practice fundamental nursing skills. In this space, students refine their abilities in wound care, IV insertions, medication administration, and other core nursing techniques, all under the guidance of experienced faculty. Next, we step into the Simulation Center, where learning meets realism. This advanced facility provides an authentic clinical environment where students face lifelike patient care scenarios. Our high-fidelity simulation rooms replicate hospital settings and feature simulators that respond just like real patients. These scenarios prepare students for critical decision-making in high-pressure situations. Behind the scenes, instructors control the patient simulators, adjusting symptoms and responses to create unexpected challenges. This real-time interaction makes the experience as close to reality as possible. After each simulation, students gather in the debriefing room. Here they review their performance, discuss their decision-making, and receive constructive feedback. This reflection process deepens their learning and prepares them for future clinical practice. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. If you're ready to take the next step in your nursing career, visit our website for more information. We look forward to welcoming you to Jacksonville State University.